Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today in this video, I'm gonna show how to change the drive letters on Windows. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe, and now let's begin. In Windows, each storage volume, hard drive, SSD, USB drive, or partition, is assigned a drive letter such as C, D, or E. Sometimes you may want to change a drive letter to keep your system organized, resolve software conflicts, or match a preferred naming scheme. Windows allows you to change drive letters safely for non-system drives using built-in tools. This is the easiest and safest method to do so. Press Win+X and select Disk Management. In the lower pane, locate the drive whose letter you want to change. Right-click the drive and select Change Drive Letter and Paths, then click Change. Choose a new letter from the drop-down list. Click OK, and Yes to confirm. The drive letter will change immediately. Keep in mind that you cannot change the drive letter of the active system or boot drive, usually C. Additionally, changing drive letters for drives that contain programs may cause those programs to stop functioning unless they are reconfigured. And here you can see, the drive letter is successfully changed. So that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.